Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday's lessons. The video will not have our English lessons that we normally do on a Tuesday because of book week, so it'll just be maths. And let's get started. Okay, so for maths, again, we're subitizing, so I can instantly identify an amount without counting. So that is our learning intention. When we subitize, we'll use this in the future again with addition, subtraction, with whole number, place value. Lots of different activities will need this skill. Again, you've got your YouTube videos, so subitizing up to 5 and then the subitizing song. These are really important, guys, because it's such a fun way to practice subitizing. They've got different focuses. Subitizing song has a few tricky questions. Sometimes it even hurts my head. But give it a go, have lots of fun. And then when you're ready, you can pause this video and come back, to the next task. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those subitizing videos. When we're working together today, we're going to be subitizing, and you might be a bit confused as to why there are dominoes on the page. But dominoes are a great way of practicing your subitizing skills. So we are going to subitize these domino patterns. When we do this, we're going to quickly find the number patterns that we recognize, and that sometimes helps us find out the whole amount, not just one side or the other. We can do that too. It's lots of fun. But then we're going to give ourselves an extra challenge of subitizing the whole amount. Remember, we're not counting, but if you do need to count to get the amount, that is excellent and that is perfectly fine. I'm super proud of you guys for all your work, but just remember that we're practicing our subitizing. So maybe you might need to count the amount together first, and then you can subitize, and then once you get the hang of it, you can keep subitizing. So let's start practicing. We've got our first domino on the left. We can see the amount of 1. I subitize that really quickly because I remember it from when I roll a dice. Here on the right hand side, I can see 2. Now together, I know 2 and 1 make 3. So straight away, my brain, okay, we did a bit of counting, we were talking about it, but instantly my head goes, 2 and 1, 3. So I would subitize 3. Now instantly, now I don't want you to get confused. So I am speaking through the activity and whatnot, and it does take a bit of talking to go through it. But when you subitize, it's in the long term, like when you've got lots of practice, it should be instant. So here we've got 3 and 3. We see that 3 and 3 in class, when we do doubles, when we have 3 objects and 3 objects, we know they equal 6. So instantly I know and I can subitize that this is 6. Again, if the subitizing gets a bit tricky, you might even do counting on. You might go, I can subitize this side, but I need to just count on the end. So I might have 3, I subitize 3 and I count on 4, 5, 6. So whatever level you're up to, that's perfectly okay. Now here on my last domino, I can see 2 and 5. Now with 2 and 5, I know I might subitize the bigger number first, and then my brain automatically goes 5, 6, 7. The number is 7, guys. So I would put that here. Okay. Again, if you do need to do some counting on, that is perfectly okay. But the idea is to practice, practice, practice until you can look at it and go, that's definitely 7. Yep, that's 6. That's 3, or whatever the amount is. Now, you might want to pause and practice this again, or have a go on your own, or you can come and listen to the next instruction. So here we go. Now it's your turn. So step 1, supersize the domino patterns. Step 2, write the answer on your paper or on your doc. Again, if it's on paper and you want to take a photo and put it onto your doc, that's fine. If you want to print it, that's fine. If you can't print, that's also perfectly fine. Now step 3 is a bit different. So here you get to create your own supersizing domino questions using drawing, dots, or you might use Paint. So that's the program on your computer, and an adult can help you with that. You might create your own little rectangle on this, just like my one here. You create a rectangle, put a line in the middle. I've got one already there for me, and then I might create my own domino here. There we go. I might even trick you and put the dots in different spots, and automatically in my beautiful domino that I created, I can see that I have a supersizing pattern of 3. So enjoy your dominoes, enjoy supersizing. Some of them can be a bit tricky, so be patient. Remember, if you need to count on at the beginning to understand and the amount on the left or on the right, that is perfectly okay. Okay, now have fun, and I look forward to seeing your work. Bye guys.